In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit easy velocity on CapCut. If you've ever seen those punchy speed ramps that make action pop, that's velocity editing. We'll keep it simple and smooth, so you can get great results whether you're on the CapCut website or using the mobile app. Start by opening CapCut. From the home screen, create a new project so you're working on a clean timeline. When the canvas options appear, choose 16:9. This widescreen format is perfect for platforms like YouTube, and picking it now helps avoid awkward cropping later. Next, upload your video and place it on the timeline. Give it a quick playthrough to spot the key moments you want to highlight, like a jump, a turn, or a dramatic camera move. We're going to split around those moments so the speed changes feel intentional. Move the playhead to the start of a moment you want to emphasize and make a split. Then move just past the peak of that action and split again. Don't rush this part. Take your time. If you need precision, zoom in on the timeline so you can land closer to the exact frame where the motion starts and settles. Shorter segments typically create snappier velocity effects, while slightly longer ones feel more gradual. Now, select the segment you just split. With that piece highlighted, open the speed settings. Choose Curve, which gives you a preset speed ramp instead of a flat, constant speed. From the presets, click Flash In. This curve adds a quick burst of speed that ramps in and eases out, giving your clip that energetic whip feeling without needing complicated manual adjustments. It's a reliable, beginner-friendly choice that still looks professional. Repeat that same process on other parts of your video. Split around a moment you want to accentuate. Select the new segment, go to Speed, pick Curve, and apply Flash In. Consistency is key, but feel free to vary where you place the splits so the effect lines up with natural movement or transitions. If a moment doesn't feel right, undo, adjust your split points, and try again. Careful placement often makes a bigger difference than longer edits. When you're done, watch the video from the top and see how the velocity changes add rhythm and impact. If a section feels too abrupt, nudge your split points slightly earlier or later to smooth the flow. And that's it. An easy velocity edit in CapCut, ready to share.